Carrot.
Okay, it's right. It's right.
It's right what?
Carrot.
What letter?
It's carrot. Okay, it's carrot.
Kaya, what's the correct answer?
It's-
What is the missing?
look,
Aray ko!
I said you said carrot.
But it's not letter K. It sounds like K, but not letter K. Write it. Small letter C. You know naman.
One?
yun. Yeah, that one. Next, what's next? Letter E. F.
Boom, boom. Boom.
Okay, next. Okay, what's next?
Just like my name, mommy.
In your name, G? There's
Yes.
no letter G in your name. Ay, sa ano mo, surname meron.
Diba?
Apo, dali na, game na. What's next?
It's not the...
Saan ka na?
Wait. What?
What's next?
I think...
See, ba't ganyan yung hair mo? Ayusin natin. Kamalikot. Oh, yan na. Go.
Okay, what's next? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K... Okay, K. It's... No.
Things gonna be alright.
Ba't ganyan yung K mo? Ayusin mo.
There we go.
See?
Ganyan.
Okay na yan. Dapat pataas pag ano, no? Taas. No. This one. The big letter K. This one, like this, oh. Ganon. Up. Yan. That's good. What's the next missing letters? Next to letter L.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, N.
What?
N.
Are you sure? N? Sige nga, you write nga. Kung tama. Op. That's wrong.
Is that letter U? W?
You erase it. It's wrong. Again, you read it all again.
Letter N.
No, N is wrong. Next to letter L, read again.
K, L, N, O, M.
M. M, correct.
Tapos ganon.
Okay.
How can I draw letter N? Okay, just like this one, Tonina, I just guess it in
Yeah,
that
very
one.
good.
Your name.
Okay, what's next to letter M?
N.
Right.
There's two letters. There's chilling in there.
Hmm?
There's chilling in there. Just chilling. Mommy, this is N.
Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Next. The next missing letter. Okay. Okay.
The same.
Next.
W. D.
Ay, pasundan naman kita.
D.
Dali na.
D.
Next.
Ganon, tapos yung ganon.
Okay, very good.
W.
W. Okay, can you write the W?
Yes. I can do it after I just do it. This letter U.
Okay. Next.
We already have that one.
Yes.
Also, we forgot how we forgot it. Okay, it's letter Z. I forgot it. It's Z. X.
Ah, galing. Ah, sige na. Write it. Okay, what's next? And the last one. Oh, it's baliktad na. It's letter S na yan. It look like letter S na.
Mommy, I'm gonna erase it.
What is the last missing letter?
I said it's letter Z.
Oh, Z. How do you write letter Z? Oops. Oh, ano yan? Oh, ang liit naman yan. Parang ano yung kidlat. Erase it.
I'm gonna erase it.
Go, erase it.
How I should do that. There's more. There's stealing. The Y is stealing. He's so bad.
Dalian mo na.
That's so funny.
Dalian mo.
Stealing Y. Funny. Y. Wait.
Oh, how do you write letter Z?
Y. It's yo-yo.
Y is for?
Yo-yo.
Next letter. Oh! Baliktad na naman.
Mommy. Mommy, you teach me.
Sige. Erase mo muna.
Erase.
Opo. Erase all.
Where's all?
Letter Z.
You said letter J.
Okay. Ganito, I teach you, Ganito. Ganito. Look.
What?
Look. Ayan, Just draw a line. Write a line and a line. And this one from the right line.
Yes.
And this one from the left.
What the?
Tapos, you connect them like this.
What?
See?
What?
It's your turn. Dali. You make 2 lines.
2 lines.
Okay. Yan! Very good. Small. Okay. Yan! Very good. Oh, you read them.
A,
You read all.
B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Very good.
Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me?
Yay! Galing
When
Very
I
good.
just, oh my god.
Next na, next.
Okay, what's this?
Let's read. Write the partner. Again, you read it.
Okay.
But first, you have to write your name here. Ayan, name.
Look, oh. Meron dito.
Oh, ito rin. Hindi mo pa nasulat. Oh, write your name.
I already write the name dito. Look, oh.
No, it's different from here.
Look, oh.
This one is from here. But this is for this page.
Mommy.
You have to write your name every page. To
Mommy.
every page.
Makabalik yan lang.
Kasi, ayan o, nilagay ni teacher, name. You have to
Mom.
write your name there.
Mommy, see that na. See that na.
Wala ka dyan.
See that na? Mommy, see that na?
Kasi, hindi mo iniingatan. Okay, next.
And letter
What's that? Write the
Big.
partner.
small, small, big, big, small, small, big, big, small, big, big, small, big, small, and also big.
Very good. Oh, you have to
What about
write
this
the
one?
missing. No, you have to write it.
Ah!
You have to write the missing letters.
Okay, this.
Alright, next.
How about letter A?
No, dun muna sa letter F. What is the partner of the letter F? Small or big? Okay, next. Habaan mo yung F hanggang dito sa red. Ay? Hindi. Go.
Where is all three? Where is
Ito yung gamit ni Daddy.
What's next?
Okay, that's how kitty put big egg, big egg.
Ano yan? Ba't yan ang tuldok mo na?
Nah, I don't like to see it.
Ganito yung ayo. Hindi ganyan. Like this, oh.
Wait, mommy. Give me.
Lagyan mo ng dot dun sa taas. Put
You
that
watch,
like that.
mommy. You watch.
Okay, go.
You just watch. You're talking.
Okay.
I don't like to see, mommy. I don't like to see.
Isisend ko nga to kay teacher. I'll send it to teacher Linda. Kylie. Oh, let me see your work. Let me see.
So by him.
Are you done? Let me see.
Yes. Yeah.
Ano to? Dapat dito to sa ilalim, sa baba. Ganun. Diba? Ito, erase mo yun. So, ganun, dito sa baba. Dito, hanggang dito sa red.
So red.
Erase mo lahat.
Wala ka siya. Don't
Daddy, oh, sabi ni Kylie.
Mommy!
balak ka.
see ah.
Let me see.
Kasi
I will show it to teacher Linda.
Kasi makasulat ako.
Kaya nga.
Here we go.
Let me see. Nye, ganun pa din. Sige na nga, okay na yan. Basta may tuldok. Pwede na yan.
Duk-duk.
Apo. Oh, next page na tayo.
Mommy.
Later ay susulat mo yung name mo dito sa taas, ha?
Mommy.
Every page, okay? Ayan, connect to its partner. Oh, what is the partner?
Just like this one, the kabila.
Saan kabila?
The partner. What is it?
Yes, just like that, the partner. Pero this one, connect. Not right. Just connect
Mommy!
to its partner.
Ay.
I'm helping you nga eh. Oh, what's the partner of big letter A?
This is so. This day is so far away.
Alright, next. What is the partner of big letter B?
Nah. This one? Is it this?
Ano ko sa'yo? Alam mo naman na yan eh. Okay, next. What is the partner of big letter C?
C is already here. Next to
Where
B.
is the partner of big letter D?
Yeah. Just
Next.
like letter C. Like
Next.
This, like that one. This letter C.
Next.
Letter E is already like this. Funny E.
Next.
F.
Yeah.
Buang ka talaga. No? It's okay. Pwede na yan. Sa letter I.
It's next to letter I because it is right here. The J is so far away too, just like letter A.
Okay, next.
Ding, 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 ding.
Take one step away.
Ngayon.
Galas.
Ay, ano ba yan? Bakit shortcut? Oh.
Shortcut.
Let me see.
Shortcut.
Finish na?
Finish.
Oh, ayan. Oh, tama. Shortcut.
Dami shortcuts.
Sukaret. Okay, next na tayo, ha? Wait lang. Bago yan. Ayusin mo na.
I just
Ayusin mo na natin hair mo, ha?
okay.
Ano? Okay, next na tayo. Ito. Naku, dito ka na nahihirapan eh. Dito ka
Finish
na.
dito.
Hindi pa.
Ano ko?
Diyan ka nga nahihirapan eh. Ayan o. Answer the questions.
Ano ko?
Write the answer on the blank.
Check, wrong,
Tignan
check.
mo. Dami mong wrong. Bibigyan kita ng ng gabay. Wait lang. Ito. Bibigyan kita ng copy. Number
What
1 question. Yan. A, B, C, D. Game na. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Set.
Go! Okay, number 1. Which letter comes
I can do
after? Sige. Which letter comes
I can
after
do
J? Which letter comes after J? Tignan mo dito. Where's the letter J?
The J.
Ay, kulang. Dapat yung kompleto. Wait lang. Mapiprint muna ako, ha? Wait lang. Okay. So, ito. Hold mo to. Yan, ha? Pindurin kita kasi nahihirapan ka dito sa page na to, eh. Kylie, stop. Later na play. Mamaya play.
Mommy.
Later na yan. Okay? Number 1 questions. Question. Which letter comes after J? Hanapin mo yung letter J.
Dito.
What letter before after J?
Huh?
Ay, after J pala. After. Which letter is the next after J? Next.
It's H.
No, asan where's letter J? What letter is next to letter J?
I.
Next, Kylie, next. After.
J.
After letter J.
J.
What's letter after J? Diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, diyan ka nahihirapan. Which letter is the next after J? After the letter J, what's next?
I can know it like I say.
After this, what's next? What's next to the letter J? Next. Next. Like this, for example, letter Y. Next to the letter Y is letter Z. How about J? What is the next to letter J?
Letter
After letter J.
Y.
Yan, ang nga ba sinasabi ko? O, skip muna tayo dito. Skip muna. O, dito ka muna. Ayan. Write the initial sound. Oh, what's this?
And
Ants. Oh, what letters start with the word ant?
I don't
Ant.
know.
Ants. 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 Oh, what letter? What is the first letter of the word ant?
I don't know.
Nak. Daddy, oh, si Kylie,
I know
oh.
that.
Ano?
Okay.
Mamaya na kasi yan, laro-laro na yan.
What is that here?
Focus muna dito, focus. Oh.
Wrong na yan.
Kasi hindi inaano mo nga eh. Tinuturuan nga kita eh. What's this? Ant. Do. Dali na. What letter start with the word ant? Ant. Ant. Ay? Oh, skip na muna tayo. Number 2, what's that?
Apple.
Apple. Oh, what letter start with the word apple?
It's letter A.
Oh, A. What is the missing letter?
A.
The A. Write the letter A. Okay.
Apple.
Apple. Oh, ito.
I don't know how to read this. I don't know how to this
Ant. Ant. Ito. Apple.
Okay.
Apple.
It's letter A.
Letter A. You write mo if letter A ang answer mo.
Is it small A? No.
Small or big, it's okay. But, much better small lang. Small lang lahat na. Small.
Boy.
Yan. Small lang din muna to.
And
Small lang din to. O, di ka. Bahala ka dyan. O, this one. Next na.
cat.
Cat. O, what letter start with the word cat?
This is in the C. There's
C.
something like that. Letter C.
O, next.
Tak 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 tak.
Go, next. Duck. O, what letter start with the word duck?
Cake.
K? Ano? Kak?
Pick up na ano po?
Cupcake.
Oh. What letter start with the word duck? Duck.
Carrot
Duck.
duck.
Hmm?
Carrot
Ano
duck.
din na ba ano?
Duck. Oh, what? What letter?
D.
Oh, D. Sulat mo D. Duck. D is for
Duck.
duck. Oh. Okay, very good.
D for duck.
Duck.
Duck duck duck.
Duck.
Quack quack quack.
Dala mo na. Dami mo segue eh. Paling kita eh.
Letter D.
Small lang. Small lang. O, dito na tayo. What's this?
Carrot.
Oh, carrot. What letter start with the word carrot? Ano yan?
Carrots?
F. Is it
F? Farot?
Ito.
K?
Yes. No.
No.
Okay.
Not letter K. Carrot.
Okay, it's right. It's right.
It's right what?
Carrot.
What letter?
It's carrot. Okay, it's carrot. It's
Kaya,
no.
what's the correct answer?
It's-
What is the missing? Aray ko!
I said, you said carrot.
But it's not letter K. It sounds like K, but not letter K. Ano? Sige, hula. O, dito muna tayo. Skip muna tayo. Dito muna. Dog. Oh, what letter start with the word dog?
D.
Dog.
It's D.
Oh, D. Sulat mo, D.
Just
D is the
like-
missing letter.
Just like this one.
Yes, just like duck. Duck. Dog. Diba?
Yes.
Small lang.
Look. Look. Look.
Small lang.
Look ng kaste. I don't know.
Marunong ka pa sa ano mo eh. Teacher mo eh. It's wrong. It's B. Bog. Look, it's letter B. Bog. Dalian mo na.
Bugs.
That's wrong ah. Pinagbabaliktad mo yung beach ako di. Bog. Hindi na to.
Bugs.
Bog. Erase mo na yan.
Ah!
Pinagbabaliktad mo kasi lagi yung B at saka yung D. Okay, read it.
Dog.
Ito, what's this?
Hat.
Hat. Oh. What letters start with the word hat? Hat. Oh, yun. Wala ka naman. Ano? What letter? Oh, di sulat mo. Small lang. Okay. Nabaan mo to. Kasi parang N eh. It's like letter N, no? Hat. Very good.
Hat.
Habaan mo to. Make it, long. No, just add a little, just add a little line. Dali na.
Mommy.
Daddy, si Kylie,
Mommy, no.
Dalian mo na. Mag-add ka lang ng konting line dito sa taas. Kasi looks like letter N eh. Hindi na hat. Not na yan. Not. Diba?
Mommy, bad book.
Ay?
Kasi you are not teaching me.
Teach nga kita eh. Anong yung are not teaching me? Tinuturuan nga kita. Dali na. It's wrong. Sige, gusto mo wrong na yan. X ko na yan, ha? Wrong na. Dali na. Add ka lang ng line. Ayaw na ayaw mo kino-correct ka, no? Para kang daddy mo. Ayaw na ayaw kino-correct. Kahit mali. Sige lang. Dalian mo na. Magaganyan ka ba kay Teacher Linda? Ha? Paano pag kinorek ka ng Teacher Linda, ganyan yung mukha mo? Nakaburangot ka? Ha? Dali na, dito na tayo. Lagyan mo na to konti. Huwag mo yung X.
Mommy.
Binaboy mo na yung module na yan eh. Dalian mo na. Dito na. What's this?
A fish.
Fish. What letter start with the word fish? Fish.
I know it.
What? What's that?
F.
F. Can you write letter F? Small F?
Yeah. Ma.
Daan mo? Ba't ganyan yung mga letters mo? Mga ponggok. Ha?
It's so raining outside, Mommy. I'm Balloon Boy, and you are Puppet.
I'm Popat.
Yes.
No.
Yes!
No.
You're... Are you...
Are you? Eh.
You what you? I'm Mango.
I'm Manga.
And you are Foxy and Mango.
Dali na. Game na. Last na, dali. Last na. What's this? A jar. Okay. What is the first letter of the word jar? What?
I don't know.
Jar.
I know it.
What's the letter?
Yeah.
What's that?
Letter J.
Di letter J. Sulat mo.
Small J.
Small lang, yes. Always small.
Just like this.
Sige na, sulat mo na. Next.
Ja.
What's this? Yan na. Laglag na.
Daddy.
Ay, mami.
Huh?
Mami. Go na. What's this?
Kite.
Kite. What letter starts with the word kite? What's that? What letter is that? Sulat mo dyan. Sulat mo na.
Wait.
Ayan, may ruler ka pa dyan.
Small letter K.
Yes. Okay. Finish. Ikaw na magawa nito. Hindi na kita tuturuan, ha? It's your turn na lang, not mommy. I'm not gonna teach you anymore. Okay? Aray ko. Tinuruan na nga kita dito kanina.
Ma.
Ay? Sumbong kita kay daddy. Sige.
Kasi you sabi mo, you didn't teach me.
Because I know you can do it. You can do it alone, yourself. Go, Kylie. Go, Kylie. You can do it, Kylie. Ay! Parang buwan. Sige na, I'll teach you na. Okay, next. What's this?
Mango.
Oh, mango.
Just
Oh.
like mango, the toy mango.
Uy, mango.
Yes.
Sige na.
The what?
Oh.
The
What
white
letter start with the word mango?
Just like the white.
Mango.
Just like toy mango.
Mango. Mango. What? What letter? What? Ay, turo dito, turo. Kylie. Kylie, I'm not gonna teach you na. You ask me na lang if you don't know the answer, okay?
No.
Sige na, kaya mo yan.
No. I can do it.
You can.
I can do
You
it.
can.
I can do it.
You can.
I can do it.
Yes, you can do it. Go, Kylie. Go,
I don't
Kylie.
know how to do it.
You know.
I don't know how to do it how I know.
You know it. I trust you.
I trust you.
Go na.
Go na.
Wala ka dyan. I know you can do it. I trust you. Bye.
Mommy.
Kylie. Oh. Break time mo? Ha? Break time? Break time. Sarap naman. Oo. Oh. Sarap naman yan. Anong baon mo? Ano yan, nak?
Pancake.
Pancake. Favorite mo ba yan? Ha?
Pancake yan, ma.
After mo mag-ita, tapusin mo na yung module mo, ha?
Kasi I can do it.
You can. Gusto
I
pagtapos,
can do it.
pagtapos mo dyan, ha? I'll teach you, ha? I'll teach you again, okay? Okay?
Look. Ah!
Eh,
Look, oh.
wow, sarap ah. Sarap naman yan. Ow!
Want to try?
No thanks.
Ayoko.
Yes, I'm full. What are you going?
I'm trying to get water.
Okay, sige daw. Uy, 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 uy. Sumasayaw-sayaw pa. Sumasayaw pa. Bilisan mo, saan ka na ba? Oh, ito pa. May 3 page ka pang tatapusin. Tapusin mo na yan, ha?
No.
Yes.
No, 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 no.
Wala ka dyan. Wala ka dyan.